from top to bottom, make a straight line, guys. It doesn't have to be measured. You just need the ruler to make the line straight. So you want to make the line like just like that. And on the bottom of that line, you want to turn your ruler to the side and make a horizontal line, which is a line that comes from left to right and right to left. A straight edge line like this. Just like that. So starting out with your picture, you should have 2 lines in the middle of your paper. So step 3, on your 2 lines, on the edge of those 2 lines, you want to make a diagonal line coming from the edge, just like this, on both sides. So 1, and then another line just like this. Just like that. So go back to the top of your picture and make a small, tiny, like a hair of an inch, another line, right next to the first line you made. Just like that. And now, you're done with the ruler. Still on step 4, you want to give your self a little bit of definition. So you're going to make some waves on the bottom. So step 5, you want to make a curved line coming from the top to the bottom of the 2 lines. Starting at the top, coming down like that. Now, come down a little bit and make another curved line starting from like right here, going in the same direction. And you'll have 2 lines. So step 6, you can just draw a little flag at the top of your boat. You can put whatever you want in there. You can name your boat however you want it. Step 7, just add some more waves. And don't worry if it looks funny. Fix any lines that you feel like you could have made better. And just add 3 lines inside of your sail like that. And that's it. Add some more accents on your boat. And add some birds and the sun. Usually on a boat, there's always another line that goes right there. That's just a string to tie the sail. So you can add some more details. And there you have it. And as always, if you like to color your boat, feel free to color it however you want it to look. I look forward to seeing your pictures. By using these steps, you'll always draw the perfect sailboat each and every time. Once again, I'm Miss Kristen, and thank you guys so much for joining us in this video today. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.